Hey there guys, how you doing? It's Drew here, and it is June 11th, and this is the aftermath video, the rant from the car. Once again, it's not a rant. Why I named it rants from the car is because like this would be after the trading session, of course, 9:30 a.m. Market open. And you know, when we have a losing day, then of course I'm gonna rant. So yeah, we don't really have too many losing days. I'm noticing like one a week is basically, so like 1 out of 4 is pretty much what we're seeing. If you go back and well, you can just go through the titles of the VIP lives, because I always mark like if it's a profit or not. And even if it's break even, I'll put like break even on it, or you know, small loss, whatever type thing like that. Yeah, so today was another profitable day, and we did 4 trade calls during the live, and all 4 trade calls were profitable, so 0 losses actually in the trades, which is pretty neat. Normally we have like 1 loss or something, like if I do like say 5 trade calls or you know whatever, we'll have like a loss. So today 4 trade calls, 0 losses, which was pretty nice. No really big moves today. There's a lot of little quick trades like within the 1 minute candle. You know, there was a couple that were I think 2 minutes in and out, and then there was one that went against us and then went into profit there, but never broke the you know, get out trend line type thing, right? So yeah, all good today. So in today's video, guys, what I wanted to talk about was like, when do you actually get paid from trading? Okay, because here's the thing: when you first start off and you're a beginner, you're gonna have like, oh wow, I made so much today or whatever, and then you'll have the next day it'll be like, oh, I lost all my profits, I over traded, I you know, I'm a VIP and I traded on my own and whatever, I lost my profits or whatever type thing like that. Because when you're new, you feel like you shouldn't stop, even though maybe you did your 3 trades with me during the VIP session, and then you're like, oh, I'm going to continue trading, whatever, and then you trade on your own and you don't use the proper risk management rules. You're not getting out at the break of the trend line, or you're letting trades go against you, and then you're like, oh, you know, $500 of lost your profits from the day, and then boom, you know, that's when you decide to sell, or even, you know, you let things just totally go against you, and you know, you kind of have the attitude of like, oh, I don't care, and then you end up blowing your account. That's normally what happens, guys, to beginners when they over trade, right? Okay, so that's not what this is about. What I want to make this about here is like, how do you make profits in trading? You make profits in trading from being patient, okay? Waiting for the trade setups to come to you and following your risk management rules, not over trading. That's the whole key to it. And I talked about this in the live today, and as I was talking about it, I was like, oh, that's what I'm gonna make the rant from the car content about today, is how to actually make profits. Because your profits are not made just on one great day. If you're trading firms, of course, right? It's not just made on, oh, I had a great day today, so, oh, I made money trading. That's not it, guys. You make money when you do a withdrawal from the firm. And you do a withdrawal from the firm by being consistent in your trading. That's the key to it. So how do you be consistent in your trading? Is you are patient and you wait for the setups to come to you, and you have your own risk management rules. Like for instance, I give you risk management rules through the course, which is take 3 trades and be patient and wait for the setup to come to you, which I think the easiest model to do that is to find the range, and then, you know, you've got your green line, your red line, and you wait for a break of the range, because it's either going to give you an A+ setup trade most of the time, so a nice trade that you can hold for, you know, 1 to maybe 5 minutes or something like that, and make some good profits. Or it's going to be a liquidity sweep, which if you're playing a trend line, break of the trend line, you're going to know that really quick. So you're going to have minimal loss. Okay. So what I teach you guys in the course, I feel from all my years of trading and testing things out and stuff like that, I feel it's the best model for a beginner, because it's good profits. It's scalp trading. So you can, you know, basically look at the chart, find a range, and then you know your setup, you know what's going to happen there. You don't know if it's going to be a long or short, but you have a setup. As soon as it breaks the range, it's, you know, it's either one of 2 things. It's either a profitable trade, or it's going to be a liquidity sweep, right? And what a liquidity sweep is basically where it breaks the range, and then normally within 1 to 2 candles, it goes back up into the range, and, you know, you have to take your you're breaking the trend line and get out of the trade, right? So anyways, that's what I wanted to talk about in today's video. And actually today I'm not going to the gym, guys. I just jumped in the car because I always want to do these videos from the car. It's better than just in my house and stuff like that. It gets me out, even though I mowed the lawn today. I was mowing the lawn there, and when I missed our great trade opportunity today, I was out mowing the lawn. There was an amazing long opportunity, if you look at the charts, in pretty much everything, like even Bitcoin, I think. But US30 is what I had it charted out for, and it just happened to be I was outside mowing the lawn and that trade happened. But yeah, that was as I was saying, like in the live today, we're gonna have a trade in US30 or the NASDAQ that could basically be like $1,000 trade, right, on your 50K account, even with really small lots. Like, it was clear to see today, guys, we're going to get a really big move because it went sideways for so long, right? When things go sideways for so long in a range, normally you're going to have, it's like a compounding spring, right? You're going to have like a massive move out of that range. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you, not that bad, 6 minutes, right? I'll see you in tomorrow's VIP live, and then we're on to the weekend. I'll do another Bitcoin analysis update video on Saturday there, and yeah, that's it. See ya. Bye-bye.